Alright, I'm using the rope come along to help me put a tree where I want it here. I got a strap around this tree, rope come along. I think I got about 500 feet of line, or maybe it's 300, I don't remember. I bought a big roll. Have it halfway up the tree there. I used a weight with a small leader line, threw it up. Just a small rope basically. And then pulled the big rope up, attached it to the tree with a clevis around the rope so it's just cinched. And I got this rope tight, just not very tight but just tight, and I notched a third of the way in with an undercut. You can see at the base there, that sucker's leaning to the left real hard. I want it to come this way because I don't want it to hang on those other ones right there. So that's why I'm using the rope, because of that really bad lean. And also the one side of the tree is really fucked up into the middle, so it's a pretty scary tree actually. I'll show you when I get over there again. But I got her pretty tight right now. See, I got a smudge fire going too, burn up some of these branches. Anyhow, I'm gonna go over and I'll show you it, and then I'm gonna cut the back, and hopefully it comes over here. I got her pretty tight, so we'll give her a try. Okay, so now you can see why it's kind of scary tree. I mean, it's green up top. It was leaning hard that way. We want it to go left. Looks like I got a pretty good pinch on it. As you can see, it looks like it's pretty solid at the base. Yeah, looks pretty solid. I actually cut my notch too deep. That should have been a third, and that's like a half. So I kind of fucked that up, but that's my new big saw and I'm not used to it. Anyhow, that's what's scary. That's all eaten out up there. So hopefully it doesn't explode or anything on me here. But I'll wear my helmet and run like hell if I have to. So let's give her a go. Well, that was a good result. It went basically where I wanted it. Not quite in line with the rope, but that's fine. All I wanted to do is miss them trees and land in here. That was damn good. I'm surprised it actually went as well as it did. I thought it was going to go more toward the right here. So that actually worked out awesome. And boy, oh boy, this 060 Magnum likes to eat. Whew. I only pulled this out for the big shit. And I bought it for milling. I haven't milled with it yet, but when you got a big one, whoo-wee, that's the way to do it.